What's up, guys? So I'm out on a little hike with my wife today, and we're chilling in the woods, and we're kind of foraging for some fresh berries. So check this out. We found some blackberries. In fact, they're everywhere. So we're looking actually for some ripe ones. So let me show you what we found. So these bushels are just everywhere, and they're loaded, and most of them are not ripe, or they've been already picked. But if you look close, just get in there, watch out for the thorns. You can find some. Now they're small, but they're ripe and they're delicious. So those have a few more days to go. We just kept looking, and we found little ones, we found medium-sized ones, but you just keep at it. And man, our haul was pretty good. We were not disappointed at all. All right, guys, so we found all these blackberries. Check them out. They're small, but they're totally ripe and they're totally ready, and they're like everywhere out here. So we're gonna go home and make a milkshake. So let's go do it. First thing I want to do is wash off these berries. I'm just gonna put them in some cold water, agitate them around a little bit, try to get, if there's any dirt on them, get it off. And then when they're done, look at that. They're good to go. We're ready. So I got a triple vanilla. I'm gonna start putting some ice cream right into the blender. Now I'm gonna load it up. Next, I'm gonna add some lime zest in there. And I'm gonna add the juice of that lime as well. Then we go in with the berries. I'm gonna leave a few for garnish, but otherwise I'm throwing them all in there. Put a little bit of milk. We're good to go. Let's blend this thing. Now I can tell it's a little bit thin. I'm gonna add some more ice cream. Just thicken it up. It's got great berry color. One more blend. And let's check it out. Oh, look at that. It's good to go. Mickey says, fill her up. A few berries on top. Just get in there and enjoy. Man, what a treat. Cheers, everyone.